times, but I've only got 1, 2, 3 fingers held up. Oh, it seems quite clear to me you need some glasses. Is that better? I think it is. Now you can watch our planet.
It's our planet!
When you think of bouncy animals, you think of bouncing kangaroos. Kangaroos live in a place called Australia, and they get around by bouncing on their powerful back legs. It's a great way to move around. In fact, some kangaroos can jump almost the length of a bus in a single leap. Do you know what a baby kangaroo is called? It's a joey. This one is practicing his bouncing. It takes time to learn when your back legs are like two springs. Time for a nap. Joeys live in their mother's pouches until they're too big to fit. Not long for this one, then. These monkeys are called langurs, and they live in a place called India. Unlike kangaroos, these ones like to live in the city. But just like kangaroos, they like to bounce. This langur is bouncing around to show how powerful and strong he is. He's the boss of the group. Look at the others joining in now. Now this is a type of lemur. They live on the island of Madagascar. They like to bounce from tree to tree. If we slow them down, we can see what great jumpers they are. Look how they use their big toes to hang on. Its big toe is more like your thumb. It's amazing how far they jump. Wow, look at that. To get around on the ground, these lemurs bounce from side to side. It's a bit like a bouncy dance. They bounce from one foot to another, holding their arms in the air. Off they go, bouncing in the forest.
It's our planet!
Boing, 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 I'm a bouncing rabbit. Boing, boing, boing.
I'm a tall giraffe. Can you be an animal too?
Boing, 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 I'm a bouncing rabbit. Boing, boing, boing.
I'm a tall giraffe. What animal is this?
It's a kangaroo. And what animal is Tom? He's a lion.
It's our planet! There are more creatures for you to see.
Can you see what's eating these leaves? Ants. These ants can cut up leaves with their jaws. Their jaws are sharp like a pair of scissors. When they've cut out a piece of leaf, they carry it back to the nest. Look at all these ants carrying bits of leaf down the tree. The ants are very strong because those bits of leaf are much bigger and heavier than they are. There they go, down into their underground nest. In the nest, they use the leaf bits to build a kind of garden. This is where they grow food for all the ants in the nest. These leaf cutter ants are like gardeners, aren't they? Now look at these ants. They are called fire ants, and they can float on top of water. If the whole nest joins in and they all hold together, they can make an ant raft. A raft is a kind of boat. Then they're ready to go sailing. It can't be very comfortable, all huddled together like that. And rivers could be dangerous places too. The river's getting wider now. There are even boats. And boats leave waves, which wibble and wobble the ant raft on the water. I wonder if ants get seasick. Dry land at last. Everybody off. These fire ants are like sailors, aren't they? Leaf cutter ants like gardening, and fire ants like sailing. Next time you're in a garden, have a look and see what the ants are doing.
It's our planet!
It's birthday time with me, Chris, and Birthday Bear. Thank you, Birthday. Oh, I see you've caught the bus. Caught the bus. Oh, dear. Now, this looks very much like the double-decker bus that Blue Cow goes off in to have adventures. Well, there's Blue Cow, but we also have a passenger at the top. Hold on tight, fares, please. Ding, ding. It's Samuel, who's due today. Happy birthday, Samuel. Lots and lots of love from Mummy and Daddy and all your family and friends. Hold tight, hold tight. Look, a penguin called Pingu. Come and dance for us, Pingu. Happy birthday, Scarlet. Here you are. And look, there's a scarlet heart that you're on there. Well, happy birthday to you. You're 2 today. Lots and lots of love from your big brother who's called Ash, and Mummy and Daddy, and the rest of the family as well. Happy birthday, Scarlet. Have a nice time. Waddle off, Pingu. We're going in the night garden because look, here's the Pinky Ponk. Happy birthday to you, Zainab. You are 1 today. Lots and lots of love from Daddy and Mummy and all your friends and family. Have a good time. We're still in the night garden here because look, all our friends are back. And up in the sky, the sun is shining, especially for you, Ruby. Happy birthday. Oh, a nice big smile. Oh, you're having a lot of fun there on your first birthday. Love from your sister Tia, Mummy and Daddy, and all your friends and family. Happy birthday. Have a good time. Wow, look, a nice clear picture of you, Molly, surrounded by lots of CBeebies friends who you love to see on CBeebies. Well, lots of love is coming your way on your second birthday from Mummy and Daddy, Nanny Flower, Grandad Malcolm, Nanny Anne, and Mimi the dog. Oh, and you've got cats who are called Penny and Matilda. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice time. The sun is shining in Teletubby Land. And look, here's Tinky Winky doing a bit of a dance, especially for Lola. Oh, not Charlie and Lola. This is another Lola, a very special Lola because she's 1 today. Love from Shira the dog and Mummy and Daddy. Happy birthday. Oh, a nice sparkly sun there. Here's Upsy Daisy. She's come along to say happy birthday. Congratulations to Bethany. Ta-da! There you are, Bethany, pictured in the garden. How marvellous, and you're very happy, not least because you have a biscuit. But it's also your birthday. Wonderful news! You're 2 today! Oh, everyone can make a fuss of you today. Lots of love from Mummy and Daddy, all your grandparents, the pets, and everyone else who knows you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Oh, look, another card has appeared. Who have we got here? More CBeebies friends. And look, Fizz wants to say happy birthday to you because we have over here Celine, who's 4, and over here Eileen, who is 2. It's a double celebration. Lots of love from all the family. Remember, I can also say happy birthday to somebody who's special to you on the CBeebies website. Take a look, it's all new. Just look at bbc.co.uk/CBeebies. And if it's your birthday today, happy birthday.
Discover and do.
Hello and welcome to the CBeebies Roller Diner. Come on in and take a seat. Oh, Oh, all right, guys, I'll just get your orders.
I'm so hungry.
Me too! I can't wait!
Whoa! For you, Sid, sausage and chip.
Thanks.
And Andy, here is a healthy fruit salad. And Chris, bean on toast.
1 mini sausage and 1 chip.
1 tangerine segment and 1 cherry?
1 bean on a tiny piece of toast?
This is never going to be enough to feed us, Waitress Point.
Well, if you want something bigger, follow me. How's this for a bigger plateful?
Wow!
Loads of chips.
Look at what you've sent us. Peas and beans.
Fish and sausages. Oh, and plenty of fruit as well.